Hello friends, I am Dr. Avinash Shar. I am a consultant pulmonologist at Apollo BGS Hospital, Mysore. Today I am coming before you as a part of World COPD Day that is being held on November 18th, 2020. World COPD Day is being held on behest of GOLD or Gold Guidelines per se. The theme of World COPD Day this year is Living Well with COPD, Everybody, Everywhere. Basically, this tells that COPD, though is a progressive disease, it can be controlled, it can be treated, and it can be maintained in sufficient manner by treating it adequately with inhalers, with physiotherapy, with rehabilitation, and with other supportive measures, and people can lead a very healthy lifestyle even with the disease. Diagnosing the disease and treating it early is very important in COPD because the earlier you treat, the better the outcomes and the longer the lifespan and the quality of life of an individual. The diagnosis of COPD is in the form of pulmonary function test, and basically you end up getting a chest X-ray in order to rule out an infection and some 6-minute walk test in order to look for how much the severity has worsened. The treatment aspects of COPD is in the form of inhalers and some oral medications. In patients who are very severe, they might end up requiring nebulizations, home oxygen, NIV, and other supportive care. You see a number of people who are not previously breathless, who used to smoke or who used to have some amount of mild breathing difficulty before, they tend to suffer following the disease. This suffering is in the form of breathing difficulty, especially when they are walking or doing some amount of physical activity. When they tend to have that, there is always a doubt that whether their previous existing disease has worsened or they have developed some disease as of now. So evaluating that one, the cause of the disease, also becomes very important, and try to ruling out whether they have an asthma or a COPD or just whether it is just because of the COVID disease also becomes very necessary. To assess any post-COVID symptoms, we have a Recover Clinic at Apollo Hospital where they end up doing a comprehensive analysis of your baseline parameters and also COVID-related parameters in order to assess for any residual effects of COVID that are there, and you end up getting a consultation also in order to optimize medications so that the recovery becomes a little more sustained and quicker. As a part of World COPD Day, for this whole month, we do have a package at Apollo Hospital. It would be better that people who are having COPD or who are having a suspicion with regards to COPD or some breathing difficulty, they can come and avail the package. Thank you very much.